Hi, this is Maggie with Wishes Family Travel, and I just checked into the Royal Bedroom at Port Orleans Riverside. I'm going to start and go over all the details. We have Cinderella's carriage hooks and the two beds, which have an interactive headboard, which is probably what I'm most excited about. You just hit this button over here and you get fireworks above your bed. Over here we have the princess portraits on the wall, and on the ground we have Aladdin's magic carpet. We have a TV, 3 dresser drawers, and the mini fridge, a table and 2 chairs, the mirror, a Princess Tiana portrait, and the bathroom is beautiful. You got 2 sinks, full shower, and I love that the shower curtain has the who's its and what's its and a dingle hopper from The Little Mermaid. I mean, even the light switch has great detail. On this side we have an ironing board with the hangers, and here's a view of the room from the other side. For more information, please contact me at Maggie@wishesfamilytravel.com.